In this week's Ray of Hope, we will tell you how the contributions in many forms have offered hope to many girls who were left traumatized after fire destroyed the Wortley Park Girls' Home along Constant Spring Road.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.
The Wortley Park Home for Girls in St. Andrew has been around for 100 years. In that period, it suffered misfortune on 2 occasions.
It was traumatic from the point of view that the girls were here and they saw the home burnt to the ground. They just kept on crying. Well, it wasn't them alone. The board members that were here too, they kept on crying.
Wortley Park is a home to girls aged 6 to 18. It can hold a maximum of 32 girls. Mr. Sangster says donations from several organizations helped with the rebuilding of the facility. But also very touching for Mr. Sangster is the part former wards of the home made through contributions of their own.
Former residents of the home, during the fire and the rebuilding construction, they have made their contributions from afar or near, because we have had girls who have left the home who are in prominent or are just working. They have given back a lot of things to us that we are able to take care, enhance the well-being of the girls in the home.
Mr. Sangster says the rebuilding brings hope for the young women who now live at the home, many of whom have expressed dreams of becoming worthwhile professionals. He says of all the girls who experienced the fire, only 2 remain.
We had one by the name of Delate Hope. She has graduated from the university with her degree in nursing, and today she's out there taking her place in society. So we do care for them, and we ensure that everyone goes to school on a daily basis.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.